In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Steam Mobile. Keeping the Steam app up to date is important because updates can improve performance, fix bugs, and help make sure you have access to the latest features and security improvements. The good news is that updating it on Android only takes a moment. Start by opening the Play Store app on your device. This is where Android app updates are managed, so once you're there, you're already in the right place. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This opens your account and settings menu for the Play Store, where you can manage downloads, updates, and other app-related options. From that menu, tap Manage Apps and Device. This section gives you an overview of your apps and lets you check whether any updates are currently waiting to be installed. Once you're there, go to Updates Available. This will show you a list of apps on your device that have newer versions ready to install. If you have a lot of apps, you may need to scroll a little to find the one you need. Look for Steam in the list, and when you find it, tap Update. The Play Store will begin downloading and installing the latest version of the app. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. After the update finishes, Steam Mobile will be ready to use with the newest available version. If you don't see Steam in the updates list, that usually means the app is already up to date, so there's nothing else you need to do. And that's it. That's how to update Steam Mobile quickly and easily using the Google Play Store.